Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and well and you are doing your work from these videos. Okay beta, today it's your exercise time, your written work time. ठीक है, before starting your written work, have a recall. I hope you have all read out chapter. Have a recall on all the chapter what we have read. It was about habitat. What is a habitat? Habitat is a place where the living things live. ठीक है, it includes plants, it includes animals, it includes human beings, it includes organisms, every type of insect or bird. ठीक है, then we read about different habitat. We have read about desert habitat. Desert इसको हम सहरा कहते हैं. It is dry and sandy. ठीक है, we read about forest habitat. Forest have many trees and this habitat need plenty of water. It is the habitat for many birds and animals. Then we read about oceans are deep and dark. These ocean animals are also called as marine animals, like whale, dolphin, these types, starfish, your seahorses. These are the animals which lives in ocean habitat. Then we read about river habitat. River habitats are not as deep as ocean, but they are also the river, जिसको हम उर्दू में कहते हैं दरिया. ठीक है, ओशन समंदर होता है, दरिया रिवर इट इज़ दरिया. ठीक है, it is having fresh water. The water of river is not salty. Then we have read polar habitat is the coldest habitat. ठीक है, here it is very cold and the animals who live there are adapted by the cold breeze. ठीक है, different type of animals like bear, seal, these type of animals are usually live in polar habitat. This was the short and quick recall of the different of your last chapter. Now today's work, open your notebooks, write down day, classwork and date. Okay, then unit 1, write down chapter 2, what is a habitat. Then topic, vocabulary words. Here are the vocabulary words: organism, shelter, neighborhood, cactus, observed, flowering plants, algae, marine, regions, shallow, layers. Take a screenshot of these words, and then after while finishing video, then you can do it in your notebooks. Organism, shelter, neighborhood, cactus, observed, flowering plants, algae, marine, regions, shallow, layers. After doing this, then make a new page. Again, day, classwork, date, margin line as well. Topic, question answers. Question number 1, what is a habitat? Give example of habitats. What is an habitat? ठीक है, और उसकी examples लिखनी है. Answer, a habitat is a place where living things live. Living things include all type of animals, plants and organisms. Following are the example of habitats like desert habitat, polar habitat, ocean habitat. You can mention river habitat. You can mention forest habitat as well. Different types of habitat which we have read. ठीक है, this was your written work of your notebook. After completing this work, you have to write your index as well. Okay, then after completing this task, you have to take out your SST workbook, page number 4. SST textbook, page number 4. You can look, write 3 features of each of the following. We have to write these are the different habitats. We have to write the 3 features. First 3 I have done for you, and 4 and 5 you will do it by yourself from taking help from the textbooks. I have mentioned the page number from which you can take help. First is ocean habitat, forest habitat, river habitat, desert habitat. What we have to write, we don't have to write detail about them, about these habitats. We have to write the main features, that what are the main features of these different habitats which are mentioned in the book. And you can take help from your textbook. For desert habitat, you can take help from your textbook, page number 5. And for polar habitat, you can take help from textbook, page number 9. So you will read it out and go through it, and then you will mark the main features, and then you will write the main features like I have wrote it down for you. Ocean habitat. What are the features of ocean habitat? Large body of salty water. Ocean is a large body of salty water. It is deep and dark, and marine animals are also known as ocean animals, but it should be brief and specific, not detailed. Then forest habitat. There are many trees. It need plenty of water, and trees, bushes, and long grasses are there to give shelter to different birds or animals. Then river habitat, not deep as ocean, fresh water, many kinds of fishes, insects, and plants live. These are the main features which I have taken from the textbook. And now from textbook page number 5 and 9 you will do it, and you will write the features of desert habitat. Yeah, like you can write these are dry and sandy. Okay, then there will less amount of water, like this you can write. Same as with polar habitat, you can write they are coldest region. Okay, few animals live there. Okay, you can write like this. This is of workbook page number 4. Now page number 5, which I have done all for you. You have to go through it and write it in your workbooks as well. Write the habitat of the following. You have to write the habitat. First I will tell you the names of the different animals which are over here. And in first picture it is a koala bear. In number 2 picture it is a seal. It is a marine polar. Then in third picture it is an alligator. Fourth it is an camel. In fifth picture it is an fence fox. In this picture it is bear, and in this picture these are tigers, and in this picture it is a shark. Okay, these are the different names of the animals, but we have to write their habitat, that where they do live, what are their habitat. Fence fox habitat is koala bear habitat is forest. They live in forest. Then seal habitat is polar habitat. Alligator is river habitat. Desert habitat is the habitat of camel. Desert habitat is the habitat of fence fox. Polar habitat is the habitat of bear. Then forest habitat is the habitat of tigers, and then ocean is the habitat of shark. Go through it and write down in your workbooks. Forest habitat, polar habitat, river habitat, desert habitat, polar habitat, forest habitat, ocean habitat. You have to write down in your workbooks with me. Take it serious and do your work, so you can easily come up when we will join the school, so you can easily come up with all the given topics which I have done for you. Okay, hope so you have done it with me. Now look at the next page over here on workbook page number 6. It's very easy task. This you will do it by yourself. Write the extinct animals to their shadows and label them. What we have to do, here are the animals. Okay, we have to match these animals with their shadows. अब ये इनके shadows बने, इनके साए बने हुए, वो ही animal है, लेकिन इनके साया बना हुआ है, so it is bit change. ठीक है, वो उल्टे हुए हैं, so you have to match it with it. Like you can see the first you will match it with this one. You will identify it from the pictures. This is your task. This task, so you will do it by yourself. Okay, now it's your homework time. What is your homework for today? Your homework is, which I have mentioned already, that workbook page 4 and 6 is your homework. In workbook page 4 I have done the 3 parts for you. 2 you will do it by yourself, and workbook page 6 you will match. It is the matching, and there I have wrote one question for you, which you have to do it in your notebook by yourself, thinking about yourself. How do you feel when your habitat mean your home was destroyed by a fire or flood? What would you do? Now they are asking to you that if God forbid your home is destroyed, your home is your habitat, where do you live, where you get different sort of your necessities of life. So when your home is destroyed, if your home is destroyed by a fire, flood, by a fire or a flood, then what will you do, how do you feel, and आपको कैसा लगेगा, and what you will do, और आप करेंगे क्या. So this is your homework task. You will do it by your you will do it in your, this question you will do it in your notebook, and this is the workbook homework which I have mentioned the page number as well in your workbook. You can go through my video and you can have the page number, so easily you will write the main features of this page from taking help from the textbook. This was your today's class, exercise class, okay? And in next class we will come up with a new chapter and with your new unit, inshallah. Hope you all are doing well and you are concentrating on your work. You are not taking it for like a joke. You are doing your work very competent, very attentively, and inshallah soon everything will be fine and we will meet you in this school, inshallah. Do pray for all over the world. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.